Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to convert PowerPoint to PDF. So let's get started the video. To convert your PowerPoint to PDF, open your web browser and search for PowerPoint to PDF. Scroll down and click here. This will take you to the Adobe Acrobat website. Now you need to upload your file. To upload the file, click select a file, add your PowerPoint, and now your file will be converted into PDF. Click download and the file will be downloaded. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.